Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automotive replacement speedometers.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Hi, I'm Jason from Glow Shift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series 3 3/4 in-dash speedometer. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 3 3/4 inch in-dash speedometer with color change and function buttons on the front. Also included in the package, a 2-foot power harness with a 6-foot signal wire, a fine-tuning adjustment tool, mounting hardware, an in-dash mounting bracket, and full color installation instructions.
So Spectrum Color, you know, everybody's talking about this because not only do you have something that can totally change the drivability of your car that fits in your palm, but also it comes in color so I can see it outside, which is kind of a bonus. So I can dial it in for all different types of fuel too.
Right, from 87 to 93 octane. Of course, with the 93 octane tune, you're going to get more power. You have your shift response. Shift response is going to give you a more responsive shift based on where your foot is on the throttle. You've got your shift firmness. This is going to give you a faster, firmer shift. When you select the tuning options, one of the options there will be uninstall, and it'll let you take it back to factory settings.
That is awesome. I'll tell you what, performance, reliability, and excitement for the drive, it is Hypertech.